How to add experience on Airbnb. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on how to add experience on Airbnb. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed Airbnb application on your device. And now you need to tap to launch it. Make sure that you sign into your account. Now navigate to your profile and bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and look for the support section. Tap Visit the Help Center option. Now you need to select Experience Host on this Help Center. Afterwards, you need to choose Managing Your Experience. Here you will find a variety of related articles. You need to select the one that suits your needs and follow the instructions. And you can even be guided on how to set a price and create experiences for a private group. And that's it. You can now easily add an experience to Airbnb. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.